Fellow relic hunters, I think I've come up on another one here. It's right kind of in the middle of the screen now. Let's go down together. Oh yeah, that's one. That's a different kind. Again, I'm having such a wonderful day today. I gotta thank the good Lord again. He's all makes it possible for guys like us to be able to have the good fortune to walk and be in good health. So anyway, I thank him, and I appreciate y'all watching, and I'm still heading the truck. I still got a quarter mile to go at least. So anyway, hopefully I'll find another one later.